Hi there, I'm Jarrod. Nice to virtually meet you. So I was part of the inaugural cohort for Global Challenges. So I started in 2014, finished up in 2017, a few years ago now. So I guess I'm one of the older guys. So right now I'm a PhD candidate, I'm a research officer, and I'm a Westpac Future Leaders Scholar. So my work kind of centres on urban sustainability and urban transformation. So how do urban systems kind of work together, how do they change, and can we prompt change towards sustainability at a much greater rate? So I use the Sustainable Development Goals to do that, so using these kind of goals and this framework to catalyse sustainable transformation in city areas. So that's very different to what I was doing during my GC days. So I studied microbiology. So it's a little bit of a gap between those two focus areas. But I credit my time and the skills and the experiences I had during Global Challenges, which allowed me to make that jump towards something which I was really passionate about. So the first off was just the sheer diversity of experiences I had during GC. All the different projects and different research areas, the different flavours, drawing from engineering to science to arts to social sciences, the kind of spectrum of academia. I was already really comfortable with all of these different areas, so it wasn't much of a jump to make that transition. I was kind of comfortable with all these different areas to begin with. Then in terms of straight research skills, that final kind of honours year really helped solidify and drive home to me that I would be able to make that jump. So I was able to explore all the different kind of technical academic research skills that you'd need in the social sciences area, which I'm in now. And so I had both the kind of confidence and adaptability personally to make that change, but I also had the skills that could allow me to jump over and jump straight into a social sciences academic setting just as comfortably as a straight science setting, which I think is really rare. And if you were to do a more straightforward kind of degree, you might not have that kind of adaptability to jump into wildly different academic settings and still be comfortable and still push forward to some really cool world-changing potential ideas. I think that also a really key way that Global Challenges helped me and helped me prepare me was to secure this Westpac scholarship. So these are very in-demand academic scholarships. And right throughout the process, I drew on my experiences throughout Global Challenges. So I talked about the business that I started as part of the GC unit. I talked about how I worked in Indian slums or studied in Fijian informal settlements. All the different kind of areas and experiences I had during Global Challenges, that's what I was talking about during the selection process for the Westpac scholarship. And so that's what's set me up. It's what allowed me to pursue urban sustainability, an area of passion that I've always had but didn't have the explicit means to pursue. It's my time in GC which allowed me to do that. Essentially gave me the scholarship which I rely on now. And so this change in area, these practical abilities, the ability to pursue a scholarship, all these were kind of born out of the different experiences I had during GC. So hopefully you look at it not as a straight endpoint, so a certain, if you do GC, you will end up here, or these are the 3 career paths. I'd really look at it as GC as a platform to pursue whatever you want to do across the whole gamut of academic possibilities or all the different focus areas or areas of passion that you might have.